What's up YouTube? This is Arco2525 and this is part 2 of the Yu-Gi-Oh! Booster Box opening lore of the Tachyon Galaxy, the left side. Now a quick recap of what we've pulled for the rares and foils in our first part. So we have Fairy Chair Girl, Do Barrier Roll, Harpy's Pet, Phantasmal Dragon, Altitude Knight, Brotherhood of Fire Fist Rhino, Battling Boxer Lead Joe, Exceed Revenge, Big Whale, Brotherhood of Fire Fist Buffalo, Go 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 Gigas, number 69 Herald Crest, and Ice Beast Seraphine. Now for our foils we have, actually didn't realize until later, it's actually not ultra rare but ultimate rare, Constellar Omega, first edition, so really good. Memo Abyss Ballion, Duck Fighter, and Gear Gaia Gear. So now we're going to do with part 2 with our booster box opening. The right side was alright, but I think people keep saying the left side is even better. So let's see if we actually are correct in this one. So let's continue. Bachi Bachi Bachi, Five Brothers Explosion, Doti Doti Q, Make a Phantom Beast Black Falcon. Oh nice, Make a Phantom Beast Tether Wolf, very good card. And nice, we have a foil. For some reason it always upside down in this one. Make a Phantom Beast Mega Raptor. So this is our super rare, pretty nice. So we get super rare here and our rare here. Then we also have Gagaga Wind, Takawa Knight, and High Tide on Fire Island. Right. Okay, let's continue. So we're still hoping if we can actually get a secret rare. Oh, I would love if we get number 107 for ultimate rare, that'd be awesome. Dota Dotengu, Mario Absent, Fire Formation Caillou, Brotherhood of Fire Fist Wolf, Go Go Gigas again, Abyss Scale of the Mitsushi, Blizzard Falcon, Sonic Warriors, and Shark Fortress. Okay, so next pack. Right, sorry, I'm sad. So, Riktan, Dragon Ruler of Pebbles, King of Full Imps, Battling Boxer Glassjaw, Jewels of the Valiant, oh, again, number 69 Herald Crest, Battling Boxer Spurial, Battling Boxer Counterpunch, Panther Shark, and Aerial Recharge. Nice. So, next pack. We've done alright so far with fours, but as I said, can we get something awesome? I mean, Dracosac would be just crazy, amazing, but let's see if what we can get. Battling Boxer Switcher, Baki, Battling Boxer Glassjaw, Fire King Avatar Garunix, Wheel of Prophecy, sorry, nice card. Mimic, Brotherhood of Fire Fist Leopard, Memory Loss, Stream Dragon Lord of Droplets, nice. So another rare. So can we get something good? Alright, we have Brotherhood of Fire Fist Wolf, Burner Dragon Rule of Sparks. I really like these cards. I'm quite, I think I also got all 4 of them at least twice now. Little Fairy, Oriole Wing, Ice Beast Seraphine again, and nice! Secret Rare, Windrose the Elemental Lord. Nice card. Not the secret rare we was hoping, but still awesome card. Effect cannot be normal summoned set. Must be special summoned from your hand by having exactly 5 wind monsters in your graveyard, and cannot be special summoned by other ways. When this card is special summoned to all spell trap cards the opponent controls, you can only use the effect of Windrose, the Elemental Lord, once per turn. If this card leaves the field, skip the battle base of your next turn. Man, really nice card. Definitely gonna sleeve that up later. So pretty cool secret rare, but not the one I wanted in this pack, but still really cool. Legendary Atlantan Tridion, Radius Half Moon Dragon, Spellbook of Miracles. Still, I'm quite happy we actually pulled the secret rare. Really good, really good. So, what else can we get? Can we get something good else? Eagle Shark, 5 Brothers of Explosion, Doti Dotingu, Burner Dragon of Sparks, and for rare we have Tree Fortressops. Nice. The artwork actually looks really, really good. Not bad. And oh, we have another super rare. We have Noble Arms of Destiny. You can only control one face-up Noble Arms of Destiny, equipped only to a warrior-type monster. Once per turn, the equipped monster cannot be destroyed by battle or by card's effect. If this card on the field is destroyed and sent to a graveyard, you can target one warrior-type Noble Knight monster you control. Equip this card to that target. You can only use the effect of Noble Arms of Destiny once per turn. It's not bad, not bad. Also, we have High Tide on Fire Island, Green Dustin, my favourite, and Battling Boxer Headgear. Right, so we got 6 packs left. Can we get some more foils? Right, we have Fire King, Avatar Goronix, Doti Dotengu, Memo Epson, 5 Formation Caillou. Ooh, nice. CXC, or let's say Chaos XC Dark Fairy Chigo. I think that's from the Fairy Report. Really nice. When this card is sent from the field to the graveyard, to draw 1 card. If this card has Fairy Chigo as an XC material, against the effect. When this card destroys an opponent monster by battle and remains on the field, you can attach 1 XC material from this card, afflict 400 damage to your opponents for each card in your hand. Not bad. Oh, nice! Oh, that is cool. We actually managed to pull Harpier Chandler. I actually didn't know this card was in here. Definitely the best pull in here. Wow. You can discard 1 Harpier card, special summon 1 Harpier monster from your deck in face-up defense position, except Harpier Chandler. You can only use the effect of Harpier Chandler once per turn. While you control a Dragon-type monster, this card's level becomes 7. When this card's name becomes Harpier Layways on the field or in the graveyard. Wow. I'm really happy I actually pulled this. Oh, that's so cool. High Tide Fire Island, Mega Phantom Beast, Steel Tray, and Shark Kraken. Man, really nice. I actually totally forgot that Harpier Chandler's in here. Oh, definitely the best card so far. Really happy about this one now. Definitely worth. I mean, this card is quite expensive to get, so I'm quite happy we actually pulled Harpier Chandler in here. Can we actually pull another one? Let's go crazy in here. Can we do it? Can we actually pull another one? I just have to believe in the hearts of the cards. Memo, 5 Formation Caillou, Little Fairy, Wise Bell, the Star Adjuster. First time we actually pulled this card. Why is it so difficult? When this card special summons, you can target 1 face-up monster on the field, increase its level by up to 3 until the end phase. Wow, not bad. Battling Boxer Leecho again, Panther Shark, Aerial Recharge, Gaga Wind, and Tataka Knight. Right. Okay, so we have 4 packs left of Tachyon Galaxy. What can we get? So, Burner, Dragon Rule of Sparks, Battling Boxer Switcher, Baki, Battling Boxer Glassjaw. Oh, nice! Teal Dragon Rule of Waterfalls, rare. It's the first actually from the grown-ups dragons we actually managed to pull. But sad we didn't manage to pull more, but still awesome. Brotherhood, Firefist Leopold, Takadora Knight, Gaga Wind, and Memory Loss. Nice. Quite happy. At least we managed to get pull one. Quite happy. Be awesome if we can pull another one. I mean, rare. Should be dot. Baki. Mind Drain. Parsec the Interstellar Dragon. Fire Knight Avatar Gorex, Brotherhood of Fire-Fist Buffalo, Radius Halfmoon Dragon, Stellar Book of Miracles, Battleland Boxer Sparrow, and Boxer Counterpunch. So another rare. Okay, so 2 more packs. Where do I have it for? This one feels a bit harder, so I think here's probably a foil in here. So a holo card. So let's see what we can get with this one. Starfish, Jewels of the Valiant, Brotherhood Fist of Wolf, Recton Dragon, Bull of Pebbles, another Brotherhood Fire-Fist Rhino, High Tide Fire Island, Mecha Thunder Beast, Stellar Tray, Shark Kraken, and Legendary Tray. Okay, the last pack. Can we get something good? Please, halve the cards. I think the best one would be, I don't know, Dracossack or number 107. I'm gonna go 107 just because Tachyon Galaxy is on the cover. I really want. So halve the cards. Guide us. Come on, Yugi. Rice Bell, the Star, just Eagle Shark. Fire Brothers Explosion. Doti Gengu, Do a Barrel Roll. And nice. So we have Evil Swarm Kyurikyon. You can only use the effect of Evil Swarm Kyurikyon once per turn. While this card is in your graveyard, if it was sent there this turn, you can normally summon 1 Swarm monster for 1 less tribute. You can banish 1 Swarm monster from your graveyard, then target 1 Swarm monster in your graveyard, add target to your hand. Also, this card gains the following effect. This turn you can activate this effect, normal summon 1 Swarm monster. Pretty long effect, but not too bad. Okay, and our last 3 cards. Bit sad we didn't for number 107 or Dracossack, but still we got some nice ones. Well, definitely probably the best one we pulled in my eyes is definitely Hobbit Chandler, and then also we pulled Windrose, the Elemental Lord, and probably the best, most valid one is Constellar Omega Ultimate Rare. So thank you very much for watching. This was the booster box opening of Lord of Tachyon Galaxy. This is Arco 2525 here, and see you next time.